Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone, this is AR from Asheq Official, and today in this video I'm going to unbox this M9T mini JBL. Okay my dear viewers, let's go and unbox this mini JBL wall speaker. I'm going to unbox it. My dear viewers, as you can see, inside this box we have one PVC packing and one strap for this M9T mini JBL portable speaker, and one normal charging cable, which is V8 or Galaxy charging cable. This is M9T mini JBL or portable JBL. My dear viewers, its shape is very nice. You can find it in different colors, like one is red color, this one is silver color, as well as you can find this mostly in black color or in gold color. In particular, in Asian countries, those people who have launched their small businesses in terms of consumer electronics or different types of speakers, if they want to import this M9T mini JBL portable speaker, they can ask me the details of its first-hand supplier below in the comment, and I will share all the details of the first supplier of this M9T speaker in China. This is M9T or M9 mini JBL. Here is one strap. You can put the strap here, my dear viewers. You can tie it and use it as a strap for this mini M9 JBL. And this is charging cable. If you want to charge it, put this normal charging cable in this charging port and connect it to electricity. Okay, dear viewers, let's see how many switches we have here. As you can see here, we have 3 switches. This main switch is for turning this M9 JBL on and off, and here we have volume down button, here we have volume up button. In particular, in Asian countries, customers mostly like M9 mini JBL with TF support. In many cases, I myself have witnessed that customers has returned this M9T to local markets, and they have asked me to mediate between them. Anyway, let's switch this M9T mini JBL on. Press and hold this button. Taking into account its size, the sound is not that bad. My dear friends, this M9T mini JBL is heavy. In Asian countries, in local markets, you can find different types of this M9T JBL. Please always look for heavy M9T mini JBLs, because those M9T mini JBLs which are heavier than others, their quality is good. It means the horn or small speaker inside this cover is of high quality, and the battery image is higher than those which are light when it comes to its weight or scale. Okay, my dear friends, those who are watching this video and are interested to have M9T mini JBL, they can connect their smartphones Bluetooth with this M9T mini JBL and listen to whatever they like. And as well as, my dear viewers, they can use this TF card inside this TF port and listen to whatever they have in their memory card or TF card. Okay, now let's check the sound. I'm going to insert this TF card in this TF port. You can test its sound by connecting your smartphone's Bluetooth with this M9T mini JBL.
SD card mode.
Viewers, comparing to its size, as you watched, its sound is very beautiful. Mostly in Asian countries, the price of this M9T mini JBL might be 6 to 7 USD. And this was unboxing of M9T mini JBL. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel for further videos about new tech and as well as repairing of different latest and old new technologies. Thank you so much for your time.